know that Windows has a built-in screen recording tool that nobody talks about? No downloads, no subscription, no complicated software, and it can literally save you hours explaining problems, creating tutorials, or sending step-by-step instructions, especially to those who are not so good with smart devices and tech devices. It's called the Step Recorder, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to use it, and why you should start using it immediately. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Make the Most TV. Are you into productivity hacks, hidden tech tools, and working smarter? You are the right place. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe because we share practical tools like this every week. Let's take a look at it. Step Recorder is a built-in Windows tool that lets you record every action on your screen. But here is the twist. It doesn't record videos. Instead, it captures screenshots of every click, the exact steps you take, test descriptions of what you did, and then puts everything into a neat shareable report. Think of it as a screenshot tutorial generator done automatically. It is perfect for reporting technical issues, helping someone or showing someone how to use a software. And it's also good for documenting a process. And again, it is already installed on your Windows computer. Let me show you how to open the Step Recorder. You know, when you have a software installed on your computer and you need to open it or access the software, you normally open it with the shortcuts on your desktop. You can see it for yourself. Take a look at your computer. You can see the shortcuts on the desktop. But for this one, it is a Windows built-in tool, so you would not find this tool on your desktop. Where do you find it then? You can find it using the Start menu, the search bar in the Start menu. Click on the Start menu, type Step Recorder in it, click Enter, and you will see what the Step Recorder looks like and how to use it. You can also use a software called PowerToys. I've already made a video about PowerToys and I've spoken a lot about PowerToys. I'll put the link in the description. Click on it and install PowerToys on your computer and enjoy the features that comes with using PowerToys and Step Recorder all together. So this is the Step Recorder. As you click on the record button, it will start recording every click and every step you take in documenting a process, creating tutorials and guides for people to access it and make the most of their computers. Once you have Step Recorder opened and ready to record, as you click on record, Step Recorder captures every mouse click, every window you open, every action you perform. It automatically takes screenshots and labels them. Let's just say you are showing someone how to install a software. You are showing someone how to use a software, or you are trying to fix an error, or you are trying to change a setting on your computer and you need to help someone perform that action. Just go through the process normally. You don't need to pause in the process. You don't need editing. Everything goes through normally. Once you are done recording the tutorial or documenting the process or fixing the error or assisting someone to install a software, all you do is click on stop, and once you click on stop record, immediately a report appears. The report will include number steps, screenshots, and detailed description of each action, and then date and timestamps. Click on save and your document is saved and ready to be emailed or sent to whoever needs it, so we all can make productive or full use of our smart devices and computers. You can as well add comments in the recording process to make the document easy to understand, and to give clearer explanation to whoever you are making the step-by-step tutorial for.
In the days of Windows 7, it used to be called Problem Step Recorder. To get to it, press and hold the shortcut keys Windows plus R, then type psr, hit enter, and the step recorder will be opened to you to capture images and document every action on your screen. As the step recorder fades away, it gets to be replaced by other tools such as the snipping tool, Xbox game bar, and then clip charm. I have made several videos about the snipping tool, and I believe you will get to understand and know how to use the snipping tool as we replace the step recorder with snipping tool. I'll put the link in the description.
The question is, why is this tool so underrated? It is not flashy, it is hidden, and I would say it is not marketed. But it is very practical, especially when you work with computers and softwares, or you help family with computer-related issues, or you can use it to create SOPs, or you do remote teamwork, or you have business online. It is super productive and can help us make productive use of our computers. Now I'm curious, have you ever spent 20 minutes typing out instructions to someone only for them to still not understand? Whilst there's an application called Step Recorder. Drop a comment if you have used Step Recorder before, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.